I'm so thankful for Canva for helping make our lives easy, fast, and affordable. I'm able to do everything all in one-stop shop. I'm Mermaid Emsley. Welcome to the Crystal Freak Show. I'm going to be sharing with you my new VIBE series as I've worked together with Dr. Stephen Schwartz for over 6 years, and I've been able to use Canva to make our brand look good and attract the people that we want to be a part of our mission. We are currently going through a rebrand, and I'm excited to take you along through our process. Thanks to Canva, I've been able to raise the vibration of the planet and bring the gift of good vibes to people all around the world. My story began with Dr. Stephen Schwartz. We were in Los Angeles, and the vibe was just a concept. Next thing you know, years later, we are now in over 20 countries around the world, turning music into medicine. I'm so excited that we're doing a new rebrand because bioharmonic technologies is quite a mouthful. So we're deciding to simplify our look to more of a warm, simple, classic, clean look. And I'm excited to take you along this journey as we rebrand the company and help raise the vibration of the planet one vibe at a time. So here's our website and what it looks like now. Again, we're going through a whole rebrand, so this is going to look different. This is Dr. Stephen Schwartz here. He's been featured in magazines and movies, even on Gaia TV. This is our customers and our testimonials. This is the vibes. And if you're interested and you want to know more about vibrational sound therapy and musical medicine, be sure to check for my links and book a call with me. I'll be more than happy to tell you all about the vibes and how vibrational sound therapy can change your life. So this is our roll-up banner prior to. This is our old brand. And drum roll, please. This is what our brand is looking like now. Isn't this gorgeous? And yes, all this I made in Canva. These are all Canva backgrounds. Everything except the logo was made in Canva. Even the QR codes you can do in Canva now with the apps. I love my Canva hacks and sharing them with you guys. So I'm going to show you what it looked like before, and then we're going to come back to this. So this is the photo I was working with. This is what it looked like before. And as you're going to see, you might get this problem where you go to background remover and nothing happens. So what your girl did was I went to edit, because even this won't let me do anything, right? Like, what the heck am I supposed to do? So I went to Magic Eraser, this one right here, selected everything, and I just did this number, whoop, whoop, except I didn't get her face. And then boom, look at this. So it removed that background. From that point, I was then able to go and use my background remover and it do like that. So as you can see, once again, you're like, oh my gosh, it's missing some things. So you go back into the background remover. At least now we can play around with it, right? So then you're going to hit restore. And once again, I did a nice size here and you just go through and restore it. Now, I know it's on this side here, but whenever I put it into the banner, I thought it looked kind of weird, so I just kept this part out. And now it looks more like this, and this is what it's looking like now on our beautiful banner. But as you can see, unfortunately, this is off-brand. Our brand colors are orange and purple and this sort of amber warmth look. Even though this aqua looks cool, it's not really on brand. So let's go back to our edit, and we're going to go to this magic edit. And once again, we're going to use a nice big, I got her fingers. It's okay. I'm just going to go back. So once again, I am going through and getting her shirt. I'm going to change the size on this. I'm going to put this down a little smaller. Again, a little smaller. That should be good enough. And what I'm going to do down here is say, change to white. Let's see what happens. I just realized I missed the little section right in between her fingers there. So let's see what happens. Wonderful. So as you can see right here, and yes, it did leave that little mark, but maybe we won't see it. We can still kind of see it. If I wanted to be nitpicky, I could go back in, but isn't that great? So let's see it before and after. So this is before, right? Remember, this is what it looked like. And after the magic edit, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, now it's much more on brand with what we're going for. Honestly, I might even make it purple because I kind of want this background to be great. And I just found a new hack, you guys, and oh my God, I gotta share you. Okay, look at this. Did not know you could do this. Remember, this is a photo, but check this out. I want this aqua, I want it to be gray. Look at that. It's crazy. So now, instead of her wearing this aqua, it looks like she's wearing this beautiful, just soft white light colors. And that is my Canva hack for today, showing you how to tweak a photo with the magic editing tools in Canva. I'm Mermaid Emsley with the Crystal Freak Show. If you enjoy learning Canva hacks, be sure to subscribe so you can check out my next Canva hack video coming up.